2 gigs of RAM.
Awesome. See how she runs? You got the Matt LaRoche overlay?
Yeah.
He is RTN after all. Now where did that go in?
Oh, that must be why.
What did the overlay go under?
What do you mean?
Like F1, F2, F3. What is that under?
What are you talking about?
There. Yeah, the overlay. What was that under? Well, it's still kind of choppy.
It's a little choppy, but it's not really.
It's better.
Don't forget, it's an uncompressed AVI.
I like how he comes up and comes down.
Yeah, thank you. I animated him going down.
That's and the way he looks down too is nice.
Part of it's him moving, and part of it's me moving the layer.
Yeah, I know, that is nice. It was done perfectly.
I wonder if let's see. Let's make a sample rundown. Let's use Tuesday.
Yeah, we don't need. We need Tuesdays.
What is it?
You might want to switch back to the thing. We've got black on the air now. Oh, you got it? Long live electronics.
You would still need electronics.
Yeah, for the DVD players and redundancy and
this
stuff.
way, yeah, this way we could do it. Yeah, you need it for that. But this way we could do our multi-day programming.
And we can condense it as much as possible.
No, but you know what the main problem with multi-day programming is right now?
Is it's not to be hacked.
Well, what we have to do is in the electronics, we have to have day-by-day scheduling based on different windows.
Unless we just do it by blocks.
Right. Well, that's what I'm saying. The other thing, but then we'd have to adjust the ends of blocks, so they wouldn't be second for second.
Yeah.
Accurate. So that would be a nightmare for sure.
Unless we can run the bulletin board through here.
Through it.
Which would make things. Yeah, that would be nice.
Then we
like
could
I
just
said.
say, oh yeah, okay, we got 4 minutes left. Just take the bulletin board.
Yeah, that would be great.
And it'll be nice too because if we ever have a situation where we need to shut this down, we could just.
Yeah, redundancy. Yeah. Like I said, redundancy is what we want.
Let's see. Let's make a rundown. We'll do starting at 15.
Why not go 14?
Well, because right now it's 15. We'll go.
Oh yeah, it is 15. Duh.
15:45, and then we'll do. Oh, this is what shows. We'll do Made for TV 201.
All right, we got the overlay set for that. Length.
This does seem to be going faster. Not like insanely fast, but
just more convenient fast.
Some of it's just hard drives.
Yeah, it is thrashing. Who's mooching? What did they edit this with?
I don't know. Not Premiere. They edit it in some like consumer.
I was gonna say it looks like Windows Movie Maker or something.
Yeah, it's kind of crappy. Their production value is very low.
No kidding.
Made for TV. You can find the exact start, mark in.
I know, I love that.
That's like part of their show that like the
Low budget. I think you're better off just dragging the whole thing down.
Page size.
Huh.
Half second.
You don't want this to be too long?
I just want to scroll through it so that we can find
The end of the segment?
Yeah. Okay, that's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, this is something we could put in the linear and just say.
Chop, chop.
Let's do something. But I like now that we know how to erase stuff when we go down.
Yeah.
So we'll just
nice.
do on the couch 1401. We'll cut it up. But now it doesn't matter. With the AVI, people can just capture the bars and tones.
Yeah. It doesn't matter. Just drop in, drop out. Granted, it's more work for whoever's going to be running this, but it's not that much work.
So that's not bad as far as fading and stuff.
Nope.
And this is just hard drive speed.
crapping out on us. Yeah. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Careful now, they intro everything they do.